In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recovery email to your Gmail account. This is an essential step to ensuring that your account remains secure and to have recovery options available should you ever forget your password or get locked out. So let's dive in and make sure your Gmail account is as secure as possible. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google, where you've likely done numerous searches before. Once there, simply type "How to add a recovery email in Gmail" into the search bar. You'll see a list of several helpful links. This search is just to give you an understanding of what resources are available. But I'll guide you through exactly what needs to be done in this video, so don't worry about clicking through all those links just yet. Now, let's move on to the actual steps. Begin by logging into your Gmail account with your current username and password. Once logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen where your account's profile picture or initial is located. Click on it. A small menu will appear, and from this menu, click on Manage Your Google Account. After selecting Manage Your Google Account, you'll be taken to a page with several options on the left-hand side. Look for the Security option and click on it. This is where we'll set up the recovery email. On the Security page, you'll find various sections to review your account's security settings. Under the Ways we can verify its use section, locate Recovery Email and click on it. This will prompt you to either add or change your recovery email. If you need to add one, simply click Add Recovery Email, and a dialog box will appear. Enter your chosen recovery email address, making sure it's one that you can easily access and that's separate from your Gmail account. If it's already set up and needs changing, you'll have the option to edit or update it here. After entering the email, click Done or Save at the bottom of the window. Google will then send a verification email to the address you've just entered. So go over to your recovery emails inbox, find that message from Google, and click the verification link inside to confirm that you indeed want this email to be linked for recovery purposes. And just like that, your Gmail security settings now include a verified recovery email address, providing you with an extra layer of security and peace of mind. By setting this up, you've ensured that should anything ever happen, you have a fallback method to regain access to your account. That covers everything on adding a recovery email to your Gmail. Stay tuned for more tips on keeping your online accounts safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your information secure.